Here's another fail video. This is the pressure relief valve off of this now 3-year-old hybrid water heater. A.O. Smith. Replaced it. There's a new one there. And it's another name brand. T&P valve. I just replaced it. Looks the same as this one. Now you look inside, the little rubber washer, totally gone. Nothing. Just metal on metal. Why was it leaking? Of course it's leaking. Now, why does A.O. Smith use a valve like that? I don't know. They probably didn't know it's a crap valve. Now the valve I replace it with is probably also a crap valve. But we'll see. It's something that doesn't move all the time. It doesn't wear anything. It just sits there. And it seems it just sits there and rots away. You know, you test it when you first put it in. Make sure it's working and not leaking. And that's the last time you do it. Until you see it dripping on the bottom and sort of drip. Okay, I better check it out. I put a bucket under it and touched it, and it didn't shut off. Okay, shut the water off. Time to drain it and flush it anyway. So I'm draining it, and I can't believe how much crap was in the bottom of that water heater. Now, I flushed it 3 times so far, and I'm still getting stuff coming out. Like a grainy, kind of slimy, tremendous amount came out after only 3 years. I might have to flush it more often, it seems. Now, it isn't that the water going in is bad. I have a name brand Whirlpool water softener, which filters down to 25 microns. And out of that, I have a Culligan, supposed to filter to 5 microns. And where all that muck come from, I don't know. But I'm going to have to check it more often and flush it, and maybe every 6 months. But there it is. Hopefully, if it overpressures or something, it will work. A new one will work. It's supposed to be government regulated and everything, but it seems like that doesn't matter anymore. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And check your valves on your water heater. Now, I got it in the garage, so if it does leak, no big deal. Just flow out the garage door. But if you got a water heater that doesn't have a drain pan or not piped out or something, you could have big problems. So, like and subscribe, share with your friends, share with your enemies. Don't care, just share. Okay, see you in the next video.